Divide and rule. It is a very old formula of British imperialism to keep the people divided and then rule. Same had Bren done now. Tommy Robinson is either being used or he knows the formula with ties. The sentiments are being used very intelligently as the UK is getting immigrants in an abnormal way. English state allows political asylum for the purpose of using immigrant political personalities against the state of their origin. However, such policies crowded UK with a large number of immigrants. It deprived the local English population, which created a sense of deprivation from jobs. English culture has also been affected mainly by Indian and Pakistani cultural norms, from food to ways of life. Even Asian entered English parliamentary politics with key posts. In recent years, an Indian-origin politician Rishi Sunak was elected as UK Prime Minister. Conclusion. The conclusion of Tommy Robinson protests is deemed to be a scheme for keeping away pro-Gaza and pro-Palestinian protests in disguise of English politics and culture restoration coupled with anti-Islamic and anti-immigrant move. However, for temporary purposes, the Tommy movement will destroy democracy and a secular atmosphere of the UK. Racism and narrowist thoughts would prevail in society, which would ultimately increase hatredness and anxiety in Europe.